We are proud to have produced a best-in-class voice pickup in EPOS next generation impact headsets that allow for industry-leading voice pickup quality in even very noisy surroundings. Our high-end algorithms make use of adaptive beamforming as well as other advanced noise reduction techniques. Adaptive beamforming is needed as the world is a dynamic place. The user might change position of the microphone boom, or even the sound environment could change. Every time the sound environment changes or the boom arm is moved, new and better settings of our audio algorithm exist, and then the system needs to recalibrate. And we use EPOS AI to identify the voice. It's all about focusing on the user's voice and cancelling out noise from the environment as good as possible, without compromising the speech quality. And based on work in our labs and EPOS BrainAdapt research, we know that when we provide the brain with the best sound conditions, users can better concentrate and communicate. A microphone doesn't just transmit sound, it transmits meaning.